Well, good evening, it's Megan, and I'm going to take a few moments to describe the second tool that I've decided to use, which is Powtoon. And to be honest, it was kind of a more challenging tool that I've decided to keep my theme, which is animal management. I actually YouTubed a lot of different things of how to add certain things in and put different audio and music, kind of keep it lively. So I'm going to discuss what I kind of think this would be used for before I play it because I've got music in the background so you don't have me talking over the music. So I think this would be an awesome way to show a video of the week getting started, of just like having a quick glimpse of topics that are going to put in during the lecture throughout the week, and then what's going to be kind of the activity or what's going to kind of be expected in the lab that goes hand in hand with the material. So I think this is kind of a neat way to kind of get the students kind of getting their brains rolling of seeing what they need to like have prior knowledge about and what they need to be excited about what they're going to learn about the upcoming topics. So as you can see, it's only a minute and 28 seconds, so it's kind of just kind of a quick glimpse, like it's something to kind of get the ball rolling for the new lecture. So I'm going to go ahead and play it. You guys can see kind of how it kind of is just something quick to use right before you start a whole chapter or something for a classroom setting. So I'm going to go ahead and play it. As you can see, it's just quick to the point of what's going to be expected of them. The music in the background is kind of upbeat, kind of gets them excited too.